Hi everyone! Have a good time! Supermarket time naman po tayo ngayon. At konti lang po ang aming binili kasi konti lang po ang aming bibiliin kasi paalis kami pareho ni Bunsoy ko. So, yan po. We're going to buy some food for us for 5 days to consume kasi we're going on the vacation. Kaya yan po guys. Sorry for that. Kailangan kong mag-voice over dito. Marami kong tinanggal dyan. Pero when I realize na yung supermarket pala is my music. So I need to turn off the volume for that. And I make a voice over for this video because there is no music in the supermarket. So yan po guys, definitely we have eggs. Siyempre we need some vegetable for salad. And a different kind of tomatoes, colorful vegetables. So I hope guys you like it. And yan po, dahil wala po kami wet market, we don't have wet market here in the island. So we are depending on the supermarket. Here, this supermarket is here in the marketplace, which is in the North Plaza. Yes, you heard it right. Ito yung patola, that is lupa vegetable. Lufa. Dalawa yan kasi ang dalawang kainan yan. One each for each cooking. Kasi pinilang ko na kung ilang kainan na kami within 5 days. So I need to hindi pwedeng may maiwan kasi sa refrigerator kasi medyo matagal-tagal kami mawala. So yan, I tried my best to pick up. I need to choose which food we're going to take first, like those meals that, syempre may mga Filipino food din tayo. Inuha, tulad ng patola. Diba, very colorful foods, very colorful vegetable they have. Different kind of mushroom, different kind of tomatoes. Yeah. This is a spinach pero I didn't get that kasi ayaw ni Bunso, medyo may pagka mabango kasi siya. Yeah, we had the tomato. It's a different one. We have the cucumber kasi may pasalad din kami. So we need to start to eat this one. Tomorrow is Wednesday. So we had tinola today. So just half day on Friday. Then yeah, yung dinner lang ang pinaka-main ko namin. So we have 4. Si Bunso may 4 dinner pa. Ako naman may 5 dinner pa. So the thing is we need to choose it very carefully and hope to be perfect, but nobody's perfect. We got it. From this one, I got that Chinese spinach. So yan, all our vegetable. I had some fish and a clam. That is for my 2 2 2 meals na yung sa akin. Yan guys. Ay, ampalaya. I didn't get ampalaya. Baka hindi ko kakayanin ubusin lahat because we have I'm showing this one a while ago. It says that hindi na to pwedeng kainin kundi itanim na. Yun po ay yung sayote. Kasi nagtinola ako kanina for our lunch. I mean for our dinner. Ayan, pwede pa yan. Hindi pa tumulo. Ayan si alaga ko. Tinatanong niya sa akin kung ano daw yung gagawin niya. Ay sabi ko dito kanina is puntahan mo na ako yung gusto mong kunin, dalhin mo sa pupuntahan mo yun. Ang ganda lang nitong mga kamatis na to. Lahat na lang lahat na shape, I mean style. Wala yung pabilog. Marami pang variety ng kamatis, pero ito na-attract talaga ako. At saka in that area is they make us the Italian foods. Italy, they're all from Italy. Italian. And guys, hope na nagustuhan po ninyo ang aming pamamalengke. This is the palengke here is not really a wet market. Mas maganda sana pag wet market. Pero wala namang wet market nga po. So, ito po yun. Hello? At saka, mga luya, okra, yung mga ganyan. Yung pag, ayun, durian. Mangga. Tapos, pinuntahan ko yung passion fruit. Alam nyo guys, yung passion fruit, ang mahal. Grabing mahal. Kahit kailan itong passion fruit na to. Napakamahal. Itong dalawang perasong ito, alam nyo kung magkano yan? $48 yata yung dalawang peraso. Sale na yun. Sabi ko, pauwi naman ako ng Pilipinas, so doon na lang ako magkain ng passion fruit kung meron, kung mura. Ayan guys. Kaunti yung mga tao yan kasi may umuulan, tapos hindi pa uwian ng mga bata yun, mga estudyante. So we had pineapple, pinya. Itong binili namin is from Japan yata o Korea. Yung katabi naman is yung green pa is sa Philippines. So, yan yung klase ng pinya na talagang hinog. Yun nga lang, may mga lamog. Bagong dating lang kasi. Yan yung tunay na pinya na hinog. Ang tamis niyan, kumain kami kanina. Ayan ay galing naman sa Pilipinas na pinya. Hindi siya hinog. Dali kong dinaldal yan, pero too sad lang. Kasi kailangan kong i-mute dahil may music ang supermarket. Guys, yung pag voice over ko is